In this video, I will show you how to download photos from Google Drive. You can download either a single photo or multiple photo at once. First, open Google Drive in your web browser. So, I open the Google Drive. You can see, click on Drive, and the Google Drive home page is this. This is home page, and this is one photo uploaded. So, if you want to click download this photo, then click on this, right click on this photo and click on download. So click on it and the photo will be downloaded. So you can see the photo will be downloaded. So click on this photo, open this photo. So click on this downloaded photo and you can see the photo is downloaded. So this photo is Ram Mandir of Ayodhya. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Then subscribe us and please like the video and share.